Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see an example of the differentiator amplifier. Here we have a differentiator amplifier and also voltage input is provided, and we are going to see what's going to be the voltage output. Here the voltage output changes with time. So when the time is 0 to 5 millisecond, we have 1000 T, or we can say 1 voltage per millisecond. So milli mean you can see that's 10 to the power minus 3 in the denominator, and that's how we got 1000. And from 5 to 10 millisecond, it's 10 minus 1000 T, and we are going to see what we are going to calculate the voltage output in each time. We are going to see these two examples, and we are going to find out the V out for these two times. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. This is the voltage output equation for the differentiator amplifier, and if you want to know how did we derive this equation, you can watch my previous video. I have explained it. Now let's go ahead and calculate the values. Okay, let's go ahead and plug the value like when 0 to 5 millisecond. 0 to 5 millisecond, VO is equal to negative RC dVi over dt, and negative R is 5 kilo ohm, so 5 times 10 to the power of 3, we can say 5000, times C is equal to 0.2 microfarad, 0.2 times 10 to the power minus 6, d by dt, and the voltage is 1000 T when 0 to 5 millisecond. So this is going to be 1000 T, and if we differentiate this one, that's going to be just 1000, because T will be eliminated and we will get 1000, and here we are going to get negative 5000 times 0.2 times 10 to the power minus 6, that's going to give us negative 0.001 multiplied by 1000. That's going to give us negative 1 voltage. And let's see what happens when we have 5 to 10 millisecond. 5 to 10 millisecond, same equation. VO is equal to negative RC dVi by dt. Negative, the resistance is 5000, times capacitance is 0.2 times 10 to the power minus 6, d by dt. And here we are going to have 10 minus 10,000 T, as we see in here. 10 minus 10,000 T. When we differentiate, when we find the derivative of 10, that's going to be 0, because this is just a constant. And derivative of negative 10,000 T, negative 1000 T, that's going to give us negative 1000. So we are going to have negative 0.001 times negative 1000, and that's going to give us positive 1 voltage. So the voltage output change sign each intervals, right? So the graph of that one is going to look like this. So if we say this is our voltage output and this is our time in millisecond, here we are going to have positive 1 voltage, negative 1 voltage. This is measured in voltage, and starting from negative 1, because 0 to 5 millisecond it's negative 1. So from this one to this one, every 5 millisecond is going to go like this, and after 5 millisecond is go like this, and then 10 go like this, go like this. So the graph is going to look like this, right? And each interval represents 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.